Countdown to Riches 21 Days of Wealth Attracting Habits. Day 16. Money does grow on trees. I grew up with a lot of beliefs about money. That if you had it, it made you bad. Only evil people have money, but money does not grow on trees. Who do you think I am? Rockefeller? So I grew up truly believing that life was difficult. Jack Canfield in The Secret Book. If you weren't born into wealth, if you didn't grow up surrounded by abundance, or if you haven't yet found true financial freedom, then most likely you have some beliefs that are limiting the amount of money that is coming into your life. Beliefs like, you have to work hard for money. The only way to get money is to earn it at a job. Wanting money is not spiritual and is materialistic. I would never be able to afford blank. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Money is the root of all evil. Rich people must be dishonest. You have to be born into money to have plenty of it. I'm not smart enough, good enough, qualified enough, or educated enough to have money. Do any of those beliefs sound familiar? Let me share something with you. Not one of those beliefs is true. Not one of them. You have a power within you that is creating your entire reality, and that can create your reality to be anything you want. So how could you ever be limited in the amount of money you can have? You can't be. Only your own limiting beliefs limit what you can experience. Sometimes even just knowing those beliefs are not true can make them begin to shake, crack, and crumble. But today, we're going to do some work to really start to override those scarcity beliefs. Remember, every time you have a positive thought about more money, your life is getting better and moving closer to financial freedom. Take note of the society beliefs above that apply to you. Then mentally read the number counterpart of offered below, 3 times for each one. Repeat this practice 2 more times today. Money comes to me from every direction without me doing a single thing. The universe has unlimited ways to bring money to me. All I have to do is open my mind to the possibilities. Poverty is a burden on society. Having enough money is not only my birthright, but it is my responsibility so that I live a full life. Living a full life contributes to society. I can afford blank and everything else I want. It's taking about what I want that opens every door for me. I feel really good about money. Rich people have a wealth mindset, and I am creating a wealth mindset too. It doesn't matter how much wealth I was or wasn't born into. All that matters is that I think of abundance and prosperity. Prosperity comes from thinking thoughts of prosperity. You can continue to read these wealth thoughts daily to eradicate any scarcity beliefs. It is repetition of thought that replaces one belief for another. So if you have bought into any of the scarcity beliefs, repeating their opposite is the best thing you can do to remove them once and for all. And, it says remove, but you're basically reprogramming or rewiring your thinking. You're switching from a negative or scarcity mindset to a positive or abundance mindset. Money does grow on trees. Remember, repeat the wealth thoughts 2 more times today. Be grateful when you receive any money. Continue with the practice, turn outgoing money into incoming money. Listen to the wealth affirmation recording as you go to sleep. So hopefully you found some value in today's reading from Countdown to Riches. If you haven't tuned into this channel before, I also do some Science of Getting Rich related videos, so consider checking those out. Thanks and have a good day.